My name is Lois Red Elk, and I was born and raised here on the Fort Peck Assiniboine Sioux Reservation. Grandma's sounds of love. Thinking of my grandma, I see her sitting on a blanket on the earth and remember the gentle love she shared with me. Last night, in a dream, my grandma was sitting in the shade on a large patchwork quilt she made out of old Levi pants. I could see the backside of her stately body sway in a rocking motion. I wondered what song she was singing and who she was singing to. I tried very hard to hear the melody or the words, but all I felt was a flow of rhythm in the air, like the vibration coming off of giant speakers that I heard at a blues festival in Montreal. Everyone was feeling the emotion of the female singer as she laid down the best of her personal blues. Eyes closed, hand on her heart. I looked again at Grandma. I watched her body and felt she too knew the blues of her people, humming in tender places, speaking her own proper dialect in talking of loss and pain, but with a heart that still remembered the sound of love.